गेल्या 2 वर्सांक EDCन प्रॉफिटूय करून दाखयलें. म्हणजे गेल्या वर्सा 40 कोटी आणि ह्या वर्सा approximately 60 crores profit is declared by EDC, and we are paying dividends to government for all their deposit schemes plus the participation in the company. In fact, आमचे फ्लॅगशिप स्कीम म्हणटा ती चीफ मिनिस्टर्स रोजगार योजना, ज्याच्या अंतर्गत आतापर्यंत आम्ही जवळ 6,000+ एंटरप्रेनर्स गोयच्या तरणाट्या मदले क्रिएट केल्या. Recovery under this CMRY loan scheme is as high as 93%. That means 93% of the loanees have succeeded in their entrepreneurship ventures and are faithfully returning the money back to EDC, back to the state. Yes, it has increased. It was somewhere in 80s. We have steadily increased it to 93. EDC Steering Committee for Job Creation. And this committee will explore what avenues can be found out for creating entrepreneurship activities plus employment generation in state of Goa, आमच्या तरणाट्या खातीर. आणि म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आयज आमी मेळटा that we want to announce and we want to appeal to public through your medium to give us suggestions. आमी एक as a step 1 we held 2 meetings of this task force of this steering committee, and we decided that we will go to the public, we will go to the various members of the institutions that are representing us, and we will ask for suggestions in this field. What suggestions can be implemented in Goa? What ideas can be implemented in Goa so that we can create more opportunities for our youth and opportunities to meet aspirations of our youth? That is more important. So this is the sort of a, I will not say competition, but an ideas generation workshop that we want to get from people. In fact, we are asking people to send us ideas on or before end of this month. 31 जानेवारी पर्यंत आम्ही ह्यो आयडियाज आमकां दी म्हणून सांगल्या at edcltd.goa@gmail.com ह्या आयडीचेर कोणेय कसली आयडिया आसूं ती, बारीक आसूं मोठी आसूं, ती आयडिया आमकां धाडप. एक संकल्पना म्हणजे एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कशे करपाक शकतले हाजेर थोडेशे एक विचारमंथन जावपाक ह्यो आयडियाज बऱ्यो पडटल्यो आमकां. अँड वी वील शॉर्टलिस्ट द आयडियाज, द 10 बेस्ट आयडियाज, and then from that we will select the first 3 awardees. We will award them also for the good ideas that they will share with us, and the 10 top ideas will be sent to the government for implementation, as well as wherever EDC can implement these ideas, we will implement them also.